Most of the people don't know why they are losing their traffic or visitors in their website. They think losing visitors in website due to low quality content, or they even think due to the bad hosting platform or domain. But if they see their website analytics, they would found that their website has high loading speed time. Loading speed time is very essential for website because if it is high, then it is difficult to retain any visitors or get any traffic for the website. Loading speed time is refers how much time the website takes to show the content to the people. Think that if you go to the website and it takes 2 to 3 minutes of time to show the interface or content, or you wait that long, I bet you will get frustrated and cut off of the website because you know humans hate to wait. They want results quickly and easily. So that's only if you are losing visitors gradually of your website. Then I recommend you to check out the loading speed of your website and get fixed. In this video, I am going to tell what are all the things you need to know about optimizing the load speed of your website. Before that, if you want to learn more about digital marketing, then I would recommend you to check out that playlist in the above cards. According to the research, the ideal time of load speed of your web pages should be displayed less than 5.3 seconds. In that 5.3 seconds, all of your website interface, blogs and web pages must be displayed. So if your website load speed time is higher than 5.3 seconds, then optimize your load speed of your website. The other thing to know to optimize the load speed is first contentful paint (FCP). First contentful paint refers to the time it takes in seconds for text or image to be shown to users. So lower first contentful paint is equal to the quality website. You need to lower the first contentful paint as much as possible to get more visitors to your website. The next thing you need to know is time to interactive (TTI). It means that the time it takes for a web page to become fully interactive after initial loading. It's a crucial metric for user experience because it indicates how quickly users can start engaging with the website content and features. A faster TTI leads to increased user satisfaction and engagement, while a slow TTI can lead to frustration and disappointment. So, by optimizing these things reduces the load speed time for your website. There are some other elements you know to reduce the load speed. I tell you that in my next video. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to TechD for more digital marketing contents. Follow us on Instagram and Pinterest for future updates. See you soon. Have an amazing day.